How do you get them to look like they're the same size without screwing it up? Hello, Jenny Yellow here for another video. Today I'm going to try to do a DIY. Now, I always do DIYs at home. I always try to do DIYs before I actually buy stuff. But I've never tried this thing. I've been looking on little crafty channels that we have on the YouTubes. And I looked at Nim C, and she has such cute things. And I saw something on her that I really wanted to do. And it's like it's a little pot, which is this is what I'm gonna be making. I have on my desk, I have this cute little cactus. It's the only living plant in here that I've been able to keep alive for over a year. And it deserves to have a cute little holder. It's just there, all on its own, in its little pot. But I'm gonna try to make a cute thing for it. We're just gonna see how this works out. Yay! Okay, so she said that I need dry clay, which I have. I have air dry clay. Yay! And a clay pot. Now, I did not get a clay pot, but little DIYs that I do, I eat little fruit cups. Yes, I am an adult child. I like fruit cups. But I have this, but the edge can't be like this, so I have to cut it. We're gonna make this work. Good. Yay, now to get to the clay and roll up my sleeves. Okay, we're gonna do this. I haven't used this clay stuff since I was like a kid in school and we used to make like little things out of. So this will be interesting. I wonder if this is enough. Is this enough? Is this okay? I think so. I don't know. She takes it, flattens it out. Puts it. Yay! It's a thing. And I put it on the thing like that, and then roll it over like that. This is gonna be a cute cat. I can do this. And I really want to try to make this look good. I actually want it to look good. How does she get it smooth? Okay, so I got this. That's a thing. Is this good? It's gonna be good enough. And then she takes like these ears. I don't know. Little ball ears. We're gonna have little ball ears. Okay. And then she takes them and like does this to it. It's not a. Why did I make a square? Oh god. Got an ear. I got it on there like that. Is that good? Ear. Another ear. Another ear. Gotta make another ear. Another ear. This one turned out better. Yay! Ear. Okay, we're gonna put this ear on. Make her ear on. Yay! It's looking like a thing. And then shape it. And use a little bit of water, I guess, to try to blend it. Oh, that works. Oh my god! Okay, blending it. Blending the kitty. So, I've got this part. Now I have to let it dry for 24 hours. So, see you in 24 hours. And we're back. Woo! 24 hours later, and I am 100% more sick. I woke up like feeling like shit today. But we have to finish this. I might cough or sneeze or do something. I don't know during this. But this must go on. Okay, so. Helicopter. Alright, so. This is what I finished out with doing. After I was done shooting yesterday, I smoothed it out a little bit and it dried. And I made the ears a little bit nicer. But then after it dried, it cracked. It cracked all to hell. It looked like crap, like so freaking bad. I was so disappointed. But I tried to save it by putting a little bit of more clay on it and smooth it out more with some water and more clay, and then it cracked more. I don't know. But she doesn't have this in her video, but I use this. I don't know if you should actually use this or not, but I did. I used this Patch Plus primer, like spackling compound for drywall. I don't know. I put it on here. It seemed to have worked. It dried smooth, and you can paint over it. Why not? Why the freak not? Yay! But see how smooth? It's like smooth as a baby's butt. So excited. Let's paint. So she used pink. I'm gonna use pink too because I like pink. And I'm gonna use, I don't know. Let's see, a lighter pink and a darker pink. I'm gonna be using fuchsia. Yay! Because who doesn't like fuchsia? I know I do. I'm gonna take this and make it beautiful and cute. Hopefully. So let's paint. Here's what we got so far. Yay! How am I not gonna get paint on my hands? So I put 2 coats of it on there. It kind of looks good. I think it looks good so far. Next, she has putting hair, little bang thingies on the cute cat. So I'm going to try and do that. I'm going to use a darker color, magenta, on this. Hairs. This kitty cat's gonna be styling. I don't know how this looks. I got that on there. Yay! Sickness is fun. And then she does ears, which I'm gonna have to mix the colors here. This is a little bit lighter of a pink. We got to do that. The inside of the kitty's ears is pink. Yay! Next, we're gonna do the eyeballs, which I'm a little bit scared of. We're gonna see. Yay! And she uses this little ball thing for thing. So I got this. I don't know if this will work. It's got little balls on the end, so it should work, right? Right. Now let's see if I can screw it up. Yay! I have the little templates. Cool, one eye done. Now to make the other one look the same. How do you get them to look like they're the same size without screwing it up? It's a little lopsided, but that'll do. Okay, now let the dry for a second. Okay, now that the black is dried, I am going to attempt to do the little white little dots inside of its eyes to make it seem more cute. So kawaii! Again, with the ball thingies. The ball things. I don't know, I like saying balls. No turning back now. Another helicopter. I did a thing! Look, I did a thing! Okay, next is the final part is its little mouth and its little whiskers. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna make this cat look so cute. I don't know. Let's go, man! I did it! Okay. So, here is my attempt at Nim C's little cat pot holder thing on there. You like it? It's so kawaii! Yay! Once this dries, I am going to try to put my cactus in it. I didn't think about it before, but I don't know how I'm not gonna stick myself with my cactus. Because that is a challenge I'm willing to accept. Here, I put my little cactus in it, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that just so cute? I am very impressed. I'm very, very impressed with this. See, isn't that cute? Oh, look, it's cute. It's cute. And now I'm gonna go put this lovely little kitty in its place where the cactus was. Let's see what it looks like. And there was my attempt at doing a DIY from a YouTuber that does DIYs on her channel. I tried to follow Nim C's thing. You should go check out her channel. I'll link it down below. Their stuff looks way cuter than what I just did. Anyways, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a thumbs up and a thumbs up. And if you want to see more quality content like this one right here, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe. I would love it if you did. Ring the notification bell, receive notifications on whenever I upload the most quality of content that is out there today. I'm going to leave you here with this. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.